Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to view emails you sent that are older than a month in Gmail. If you're trying to find those long ago messages, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable method you can use on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the steps are the same at this level, so keep your app handy and ready. Once Gmail is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This opens a side panel with all your categories and labels. In the side panel, scroll down and select Sent. This is your library of every message you've sent. Once you're in the Sent mailbox, you'll see a standard list of emails you've sent across time. To refine this search and specifically target older messages, look for the Date option just below the search bar. Tap Date to bring up the date filters. Now, you'll see several quick filter choices. Choose older than a month. This filter narrows your sent items to those that are more than 30 days old. Gmail will refresh the list and you'll be looking at all emails you've sent that fall into that older category. If you realize you want a slightly different window, you can also adjust by choosing a more specific range, such as older than 3 months or older than 6 months, depending on how far back you need to go. The same date filter mechanism applies, so you can tailor the window to your exact needs without leaving the sent folder. A quick tip: if you're looking for a particular message, you can use the search bar within Sent with keywords like a recipient's name or a subject phrase. This makes it faster to locate a specific older email rather than scrolling through weeks or months of messages. That's all there is to